Today at Keystone Fence, we'll be unboxing the Milwaukee ForceLogic M18 6-ton linear utility crimper kit with the Kearney Jaw and showing you how it can be used for agricultural fencing and some other applications. We'll give you a rundown of what's included in the box and how this might be helpful for you on your fence line. When you first open up the box, you'll have your standard Milwaukee M18 M12 battery charger. You'll also have a very nice heavy-duty carrying and storage case. This is a very nice, robust fabric case with grippy feet on the bottom. You can open up the case. They make it real easy. One-handed opening right here. Just opens right up. Inside, you'll have your linear crimp tool, as well as the two batteries that are included in the kit. These are the 2.0 batteries, and it has ample storage space for that, plus extra storage where you can keep an extra set of crimp dies for your tool. To get started with crimping fence, simply unbox the tool, charge up your batteries, and once the battery is fully charged, put it in the tool. You can insert your crimp dies and then get to work. FenceGard Crimp Dies are available for the 2978-22K linear crimp tool. To install, simply choose your desired crimp die. They are available for 2 to 3 crimps, 3 to 4 crimps, and 4 to 5 crimps. They are a matching set and can be reversed. Just make sure that they are aligned properly. Take your die and simply place into the machined channel and press the detent pin, and the die will snap into place. This tool crimps with 6 tons of force, and the current dies available for this tool require 2 crimps on a 2 to 3 long crimp sleeve for 12.5 gauge high tensile wire. The Milwaukee 2978-22K crimper comes with 2 of the 2.0 batteries, but you can utilize any M18 battery in this tool if you would prefer more capacity or a larger size. It comes with 1 key connectivity to your smartphone, so you can track the tool's actions and whereabouts via Bluetooth. It features an easy to activate trigger to operate the crimping mechanism, as well as ambidextrous controls to release the crimping motion while in use. Crimping high tensile wire is as easy as inserting the required dies and pulling the trigger. The Milwaukee linear crimp tool quickly crimps with just the press of a trigger and then automatically opens up after crimping for easy alignment for the next section of your crimp. Another cool feature about this tool is that it has a quick release jaw. Simply remove the pin and lift the jaw out of the tool. This allows you to install other accessories sold separately, such as the BG crimping jaw, the fixed O crimping jaw, and the snub nose crimping jaw, as well as other W-style dies and shearing and cutting jaws available from Milwaukee. Give Keystone Fence Supply Company a call today at 717-949-8170 and put this Milwaukee Linear Fence Crimp Kit to work on your fence line.